Hi everyone, welcome back to hanacrochetdesign. It's been a while, I've never updated my crochet work on this channel. Today I'm gonna bring you to see the behind the scene process of making these flower earrings. By the way, I have finally finished the last earrings design that I showed you in my previous vlog, and this is how it looks like. I don't really like the petals though. I feel that it would look better with fewer petals. I still have to play around with the design before writing the final pattern. And I also have some failed design, for example this earring, which I thought it would look nice, but apparently it turned out really bad. Sometimes I feel the more complicated the pattern is, the more beads we use, the better the design is. But actually it's not always work that way. Sometimes you can create just a simple design with the right color combination. I think we can create something nice too. And when I was making this new earrings design, I actually had no specific idea of what I was gonna make. I knew that I wanted to make simple earrings design which I could sell in my Etsy shop, something that people can wear daily, so definitely no big crochet flower this time round. Here I was trying finding the right beads that could go along with the flower, but I felt that this crystal was too big. So I tried using this 3mm freshwater pearl, but then I already had lots of earrings designed with pearl on it. At the end I decided to make French knot stitch with this light blue DMC embroidery thread. I wish I could do kind of ASMR video, just like what other crafter did, but it is impossible with these kids around me.
Thank you.
This one is the paper one.
Then I incorporated some sequins and beads on my design. Then I was thinking to put this Swarovski crystal, even though this earring is meant for daily wear, but I think people will like some sparkle on it. At the end I chose this round toho seed beads. I think the color goes well with the sequins and the embroidery thread. And this is it. I really like the combination between the sequins, the embroidery thread, and as well as the flower. And for the next design, I used this dark gray embroidery thread. I was thinking to recreate my old design, but this time I would use darker color and I would add some Swarovski crystal in the same color tone. And I made this 3 petals flower. If you're wondering what thread that I use, this is a crochet thread number 80 from Daruma. If you live in Singapore, you can get this at Golden Dragon store at People's Park Center, Chinatown. I added these transparent seed beads, but I feel that it made the whole look dull, so I have to remove it, and I replace it with silver seed beads. And for the next earring, I made the same design, but this time I use a neutral color.
Mommy.
And to fill in the gap, I usually sew some seed beads on my earring. And as for the next design, I felt that I had to try working with bold and dark color. So I used this dark blue sequin. And I decided to use this dark blue thread for the flowers. And again, I was trying out some beads to see which one matched with the design. And I decided to use these silver cube beads. For the next design, I made rose embroidery stitch on my earrings. Then I sewed bigger crochet flower below it. And I added silver and also gold beads around it. I feel that even though the size is quite big, but with the neutral color, this is still suitable for daily wear. This pink embroidery flower was my last earrings design. I wanted to add color to this new set of earrings. I added this white opal Swarovski crystal as well as clear crystal around the flower. And this is how it looks like. I really like the color combination. And this is my new set of earrings design. If you're interested to get one of these earrings are now available in my Etsy shop. I will provide the link in the description box below. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you again in my next video.